What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about Kucoin and why I think KCS is going to explode in the future. So KCS is the token of Kucoin, and that is at the 61st spot. So today we're going to be talking about some speculations I have, what all is KCS as well, like what does the token even do? We're going to be talking and going over price predictions. We're going to be talking about technical analysis, everything. So let's get started. First, I want to talk about the overview of the exchanges. So I see a lot of people online saying that Kucoin is going to be the new Binance, and I don't exactly think that's going to be the case, as Binance is just offered in a lot more different countries than most other exchanges, and they have so many different fiats that are supported as well in comparison. But I definitely think that Kucoin is going to be a strong competitor, especially to Binance and other exchanges, because Kucoin has so many different capabilities on the exchange. It has less KYC than most exchanges. It has a trading bot, and it has plenty of trading bots. It has different leveraging capabilities. It has a ton of things that some exchanges don't have, along with over 600 different coins. You can't really say that with most other exchanges. In fact, only Coinbase only has 153 in comparison to the 604 that are on Kucoin. So Kucoin began in 2017, and the KCS token was launched in 2017 as well. And there's some pretty cool utilities that come out of the token. It's a profit sharing token that allows traders to get value from the exchange. So how is this done? Well, people who own at least 6 of the KCS tokens can get a daily dividend, which comes from 50% of Kucoin's daily trading fee revenue. And so that is a really big mechanism for people to buy and hodl and essentially stake and get dividends off of their KCS. Now, if you guys are actually interested in trading on Kucoin, then you can use my link in the description below of this video, and you can register via my referral link and get a 10% discount on trading fees. So the fees on Kucoin are already relatively low, but if you're interested in lower fees, you can register via that link. So let's keep going here. So the next thing I want to talk about is Kucoin actually coming out with their own community chain. So this is essentially going to be kind of similar to the Binance Smart Chain. It's kind of the same thing, but it's the Kucoin version. So I want to talk about this. This was an article actually that's on their LinkedIn. The Kucoin Community Chain, or KCC, is a high performance and decentralized public chain built by Kucoin for all community users. Developed based on Go Ethereum with the purpose of providing community users with a higher speed, convenient, and low-cost blockchain user experience. Kucoin Community Chain will have the following characteristics. It's going to be fully compatible with Ethereum and ERC20 smart contracts with extremely low migration costs. The Kucoin token, or KCS, will serve as the only core fuel and native token for KCC and can be used in scenarios such as gas fee payment. And also, a block every 3 seconds results in faster transaction confirmation and higher chain performance. And proof of stake authority, or POSA, consensus algorithm, high efficiency, security, and stability. So there's a lot of cool things that it's going to have. So this article is on their LinkedIn, and they said that the mainnet is not started. So I'm sure in time it's going to. And actually, I believe they show a roadmap on this website. So here you can see the milestones with the Kucoin community chain, and you can see the testnet was launched on April 28th of 2021, and you can just see the different things that they've done, ambassador programs, different things launched, the bridge, and more coming soon. So right now this is in progress, and that's actually why I'm also still bullish on this. They still have a lot to go. Next up, I want to talk about this DAO that was actually built on KCC, which is the Go DAO. It's time to build a new future from KCC for all blockchain. Right now there's almost 300,000 community addresses, there's 10 members, 6 proposals. So their mission says that Go DAO will support projects including DeFi protocol, DAOs, NFT gaming, and other blockchain technologies build on KCC. I'm guessing they meant to say built. I feel like that's the funny thing about Kucoin, is there's always that, different part of English that's not necessarily used. And I want to show you guys this. Actually, this reminds me of it. So this guy received a gold plaque actually for becoming the 10th million user. And it says here, a letter from Kucoin CEO. We break 10 million users. Thank you for your support. And then on the back of it, it says Kucoin Builder Gold for breaking 10 million users. There's always that little bit of misused English when we're talking about Kucoin, which is the best representation for Kucoin, right? But I digress. I really think that Kucoin is a great exchange, And I want to also look at some technical analysis before we get into some price predictions here. So every candle on this chart represents one day, and this chart is out just about over a year. So first things first, I want to show you guys this. If we draw a simple trend line here, we can just see that this is a bullish pattern. And if you actually want to compare it to the past gains from before, they actually had a rally before up to $20, and that was back in January of 2018. And that was during that massive rally before a crash. Now that wasn't sustainable, but what happened recently is more and more people coming onto the exchange, as well as the testnet coming on, as well as, less KYC than other exchanges. So, it's really easy for a lot of people to hop onto the exchange. And yeah, a lot of people are really just hearing about Kucoin. By the way, the app is great on the phone. There's the trading mod there and a lot of other different features. And so overall, even though that there was this rally here and it went up to, over $24, even wicked in some cases up to $27, and now it's down from that, it's still, this is a bullish chart if we're actually looking at this. So, the technicals are saying that it's bullish, and to me, the fundamentals say the same. Now, I also wanted to show you guys the technicals for the r/Kucoin subreddit stats. Now, actually, they have over 100,000 subscribers on the subreddit. That's really good for an exchange. It was just a few months ago that r/Crypto.com actually just had the same, and they went absolutely parabolic after that. Now, you can just see here the subscribers that have gone up since the start of the subreddit up to where it is today. And here you can see that the subscriber rank, lower is better. They've been getting lower, so it's been getting better. And the comments per day has been, increasing ever since February. So one question that I had is, how is KCC when compared to Binance Smart Chain? And now a lot of people had this question. So one user actually replied to this saying that they're very similar and they all have a 3-second 500 TPS target, proof of stake, authority, hybrid consensus model. Huobi calls it differently, but it's the same thing when you look at the code. If you scroll through their GitHub, many things are forked from each other or other projects. They aren't exact copies, especially as they evolve over time, but at their core, they are all Go Ethereum based. So next up, I want to talk about the price prediction for the KCS token, and I really just want to compare it to other market caps. So this is essentially crucial. If you're really going to be giving a price prediction, you're not going to be able to say that it's going to be $100,000 by this specific date without being able to even compare it to a market cap as of Bitcoin, for example, which would put it at a price of $9,600 if it had the same market cap. So right now the KCS token is in the 61st position, and actually where I see it is being in the 20th to 30th spot when we're talking about the current market cap right now. So that would put it from the Cosmos market cap right now to the Uniswap market cap. So that would put it in a price range of around $66 to up at Cosmos right now, which would be $108. So personally, I think in time, the KCS token is going to go into this zone. There's a lot of incentives to actually use this exchange when we're talking about the bots, when we're talking about leveraging, when we're talking about staking different assets like USDT, which I believe you can get something like 18% in some cases APR. So, there's a lot of different reasons for people to be using the exchange. And if they're going to be using the exchange, they might as well buy KCS and then essentially get dividends off the exchange as well. So there's a ton of fundamentals, I think, with the Kucoin exchange. It's a really great exchange like I've talked about. And like I've said before, if you guys want to check out the link in the description below, you can get a 10% discount on trading fees. So anyways, guys, what did you think of this video and what do you think about Kucoin and the KCS token? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.